So these are fresh from the washing machine. Look at that denim, that came out great. I did a lace swap. These are some Delel cream, and it just sets it off so fly. And these have been drying overnight, although they were pretty dry when I packed this in. And then I put the footbed in, the shoe trees, and it's just held this Ferrari looking shape. And these turned out great. This is the second time I've done this in the washing machine. It's a washer dryer combo, it's ventless. I do it with, for example, a towel and 3 pillowcases. So just a couple items in the washing machine to keep these kind of padded. And then mine's an all-in-one, but when it's on its early dry cycle, I pull these out and then I start to kind of get the early shape. I put the trees in here. And there you go. These have a tremendous amount of miles on them. I love these shoes. They're just super easy and fun and somewhat of a platform. And just the materials used in the shoe is great. So I am happy to show these off.